Today I'm going to show you how to create a mail file using Excel and Word that will create personalized emails that will be sent through your Outlook account. So to get started, I want you to open up your Word file, and you notice this one has Glenn's information in it, so make sure that you change that to your information and your picture. And to get started, we're going to look for the Mailings tab up here at the top, and we're going to click that, and we're going to find the icon for Start Mail Merge. From there, we're going to choose Email Messages. Then we need to hook it up to the Excel spreadsheet. So we're going to do Select Recipients, we're going to choose Use an Existing List, and then we're going to look for our spreadsheet on our computer. Mine happens to be on my desktop. So there it is. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to open, and those are all the tabs at the bottom. So if yours has multiple tabs, find the one with your name on it and click on that. Say OK. All right, that's good. Now we need to take care of this name comma thing. That's just the placeholder. We need to get rid of that first. And we want to have each email be personalized for every recipient. So we're going to go up to Mailings. We're going to look at the greeting line. We're going to click that. And I don't want to say dear or to or anything, so I'm going to get rid of that. I also don't want to have their last name, so I'm just going to scroll through and see where it says Joshua. That's what I want. Okay. Now, most important is match fields. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. And you see up at the top it says required for greeting line, first name. That's where we'll have a drop down, and we're going to choose fname_mi. You'll have it, your list will be longer, but find that one and click on it. Say OK. All right, now we say OK. See that greeting line thing popped up? That means you did it right. But let's take a look at a preview just to see what it'll look like for our recipients. Okay, click that button. Look, it has the name. Yay, we did it right. Okay, so now we're going to finish and merge. We're going to send those email messages, subject line, and of course I'm just kind of doing it for pretend, so mine isn't real here. Put something good in there, say OK, and that's it. You've done it. Now I'm going to launch Outlook, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So here we are in Outlook. Double click there. Look, there it is. A personalized email with graphics in Outlook that came from Word.